How to fix Instagram filters not loading. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram's filters not loading. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To fix your Instagram filters not loading, start with basic troubleshooting. Now that includes checking your internet connection. So swipe down and make sure you're connected to your internet. You can switch between your mobile data and then your Wi-Fi and see if the connection is the issue. After that, completely close your Instagram. So open up your Instagram, swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background. After you've done that, reopen it and check if it works. If it does not work, go ahead to your Google Play Store. Check for updates for Instagram. After you find if any update is available there, tap on update and update it. After you've updated to the latest version, if it still does not fix it, go to your settings, go to apps, go to Instagram. From there, navigate to storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache and clear out your cache. Clearing out the cache sometimes removes any corrupted files in your cache. That can be the problem. So do that and then your problem will be fixed. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.